Did you know that just because two people sign a contract doesn't necessarily mean that that contract is legally enforceable? On your real estate exam, you may be asked to determine whether a contract is valid, void, or voidable. These words sound similar, but they mean very different things. Let's make them easy to remember. First, a valid contract. A valid contract has all of the essential elements required for an enforceable contract. So think competent parties, mutual agreement, consideration, and a lawful objective. If all of the required elements are there, then we have a valid contract. So remember, valid means legally enforceable. Next, let's talk about a void contract. A void contract has no legal effect and cannot be enforced by either party. A great example is a contract to do something illegal. Even if both parties agree, they sign the contract, and they even exchange consideration, if the purpose of the contract is illegal, the courts are not going to enforce it. So think void means no contract in the eyes of law. Neither party can enforce it. Now let's talk about a voidable contract, because this is where students sometimes get confused. A voidable contract is a valid contract, but one of the parties has the legal right to rescind or get out of the agreement. There are 4 situations I really want you to remember when you're studying for your exam, and that's fraud, misrepresentation, duress, and a minor. If someone enters into a contract because of fraud, misrepresentation, or duress, then the contract may be voidable by the injured party. And if a minor enters into a contract, that contract is generally voidable by the minor. Here is the important distinction. Voidable does not mean the contract is automatically void. A voidable contract can remain valid and enforceable unless the party who has the legal right to void it chooses to do so. So here's your exam day shortcut. Valid means enforceable. Void, no legal effect, neither party can enforce it. And voidable, it can be a valid contract, but one party has the right to get out. And when you see fraud, misrepresentation, duress, or minor in an exam question, your brain should immediately start thinking, could this contract be voidable? Pay attention to who has the right to enforce the contract and who has the right to get out of it. That distinction can lead you directly to the correct answer. If you're a Kaplan student, be sure to jump into the Exam Prep QBank and practice more questions just like this. The more questions you work through, the more confident you'll be on your exam day. And if you're not a Kaplan student, but you're thinking about getting your real estate license, we would love to help you get there. Check out Kaplan Real Estate Education to learn more about our courses, exam prep, and the tools designed to help you pass your licensing exam with confidence. I am Jeni VanOrum. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Did You Know?